We have some breaking inputs coming in on the broadcast. Politics continues over this protest, students' protest, which is taking place in Jharkhand. There's a reaction that has come in from the Jharkhand Mantri, a Congress Mantri, who says there's a false narrative which is being created, and he also calls the stir unnecessary drama. The question that is being asked is, while the Congress party, of course, supported the protest in Delhi, why are they silent as far as the JPSC protest is concerned? And is this protest and stir just unnecessary drama for the Congress? Let's listen into the reaction that came in from Irfan Ansari.
यही बात फैक्ट है। जो सांसद जीत कर गए हैं वहाँ पार्लियामेंट में, और भी तो भाजपा के सांसद हैं। उत्तर प्रदेश में पेपर लीक होता है तो उत्तर प्रदेश के सांसद लोग क्यों नहीं धरना दे रहे हैं पार्लियामेंट के पास? बिहार के सांसद लोग क्यों नहीं दे रहे हैं पार्लियामेंट के में धरना? बेवजह यहाँ नाटक किया जा रहा है, झारखंड की छवि को खराब की जा रही है, युवाओं को इस तरह से दिखाया जा रहा है गलत गलत वीडियो कि यहाँ ये हो रहा है, यहाँ हो रहा है, कुछ नहीं यहाँ।
Let's go across to Kritika, who's joining us on the broadcast with more details. Bevajah ka drama when this Congress Mantri says, is he talking about the protest of the students? Is he talking about the politicians? What does he mean when he makes that statement, Kritika?
Well, Sagrika, we've seen that the Congress High Command, specifically when it comes to the Jharkhand irregularities in the recruitment exam issue is concerned, has largely remained silent. And now we have a minister from Jharkhand, in fact, making these statements that this is unnecessary drama. So, of course, this is not faring well for the Congress party, at least. Remember, Rahul Gandhi, on the other hand, is going to be taking out a march in Prayagraj. The Chhatro Ki Goonj event is also slated to happen on Prayagraj as of Saturday. And just before that, we're hearing of these statements coming from the leader, the minister in Jharkhand. Now, remember, as far as the students are concerned, today is day 12 of their protest that has begun since the results, as you rightly pointed out, came out of the JPSC examination. They have alleged serious irregularities, and these irregularities, the students say, is not something new. It is a system that has been plagued for the last 26 years, since the time the state has come into existence, in fact, is what the students are claiming. And yesterday, we also heard Jharkhand Chief Minister Hemant Soren for the very first time also publicly address these concerns. He said that this is in fact being looked into, but the students are now demanding not just a CBI probe but also an independent inquiry of retired High Court judges from outside of Jharkhand.
Well, they want a complete overhaul of the system. Thank you very much, Kritika, for getting us the details. Let's break down the details of why is the protest happening in the first place. So the trigger was the irregularities that were reported, alleged irregularities as far as the JPSC, JSSC exams are concerned. Now, this is what has been claimed, that the paper leak happened and results were rigged. The flashpoint was that a candidate who scored 48 out of 100 was selected in the JPSC exam, whereas in the PGT exam, a candidate that who scored 299 out of 300 was denied selection. The students are raising these issues and questioning the system, questioning the administration, asking for transparency, and they want accountability to be fixed. Let's also take a look at some breaking inputs coming in. This is how the Bharatiya Janata Party is reacting to this entire issue. We have a reaction coming in from BJP that has slammed the double standards of the Congress party and has questioned silence of Rahul Gandhi as far as the Jharkhand protest is concerned. BJP is asking why is Congress silent over JPSC protest, and that no action on paper leak is being taken in Congress ruled states.
राहुल गांधी जी ने कहा हमारे देश के बच्चे जो हैं वो सड़कों पर हैं, और ये बयान चल रहा था, उसी के बाद झारखंड की खबर आने लगी, और झारखंड में किस तरह से युवा बच्चे हमारे 12 दिन से प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं। हेमंत सोरेन के मुंह से एक शब्द नहीं निकल पाया है। आपकी सरकार 10 साल थी केंद्र में, कौन सा कानून आप लाए जिससे पर्चा लीक?
With that, we're slipping into a very short break. News and updates will continue. Stay on with us.